Welcome everybody to the video. Today I'm going to show you how I trade pocket options every day from Monday to Friday live on my Discord. If you want, you can join, link in the description. So let's get into it. Firstly, as you can see, you need to find a trend and follow that trend. You can see that it's clearly an uptrend. Higher high, higher lows, higher high. And that's why we are looking for a long position when the price drops down back to the middle line. And now the price is coming back down to this midline of the Keltner channel. It just touched the line, and now I'm going to go in a long position. Why I do this? Because you can see the price is above the 200 moving average and it respects this middle line in the Keltner channel. That's why I entered a long position, and here I show with this green line. If the price goes above that, it's perfectly good for this trade, because it's going to make another higher high if the price stays above that. So now we just need to wait 20 seconds and we will see the results, so if we made money or not. Five more seconds and we make $46 in 1 minute. Yeah, so basically it's that easy. You just need to know what you're looking for and when to enter. If you have any other questions, drop them down below in the comments. And if you want to trade with us, you can join us on Discord. It's completely free. The link will be down in the description.